What is up, everybody? Welcome back to another video. My name is... I changed my name again, Trainer Caleb, because Pokemon Caleb sounded stupid. Anyways, I am back. I'm gonna unbox a Pokemon tin. Today I'm gonna be unboxing a Ho-Oh GX tin. Got this tin off of Amazon for $17. And yeah, if you want to read the back, you can pause the video, read it. Anyways, let's get right to it. What the heck was that? Anyways, promo card. I don't know why I got the Ho-Oh one. I was gonna get the Necrozma one, or at least the Marshadow. I wasn't gonna get the Ho-Oh one at all. But anyways, there's a bug flying up there. Okay, so yeah, Ho-Oh GX right there. That's what you get with it. And I will give you guys the code. Let's see what packs we get. So right off the bat, I see Ancient Origins. It's one of my favorite sets next to Primal Clash and Furious Fists. Breakthrough, Sun and Moon Burning Shadows, and Guardians Rising. I say let's start off with the XY pack, so Ancient Origins. I swear to God, they like super glue these together. There we go. So, code card for you guys. 1, 2, 3. Go to the back. So, first things first, we have a Sableye, Level Wall, Sliggoo, Goomy, Wooper, Spinark, Quagsire, Magikarp, Jolteon, which is a rare, and a Porygon Z. So already right off the bat we have a reverse rare, Jolteon. That's kind of cool. Comment down below, what is your favorite evolution? Mine is Vaporeon, because I love water types. Anyways, let's get right into the breakthrough. Code for you guys. 3 from the back. First card we have is a Braixen. Super Rod. I could use that. Granbull. Magnemite. Ralts. Chespin. Noibat. Piplup. A Marowak Break. Okay. Okay. I see you. And our last card is a Cresselia. I don't know. Anyways, cool. We got a Marowak Break card. Let's put that over to the side. Now, let's do Guardians Rising. Let's put that pack right there. Code for you guys. And let's do the pack trick, which is 4 from the back. And let's start off with a Water Energy, Conservation Area, Hala, Marini, Litwick, Gligar, Vanillite, Mudbray, Salandit, a reverse rare Heliolisk, and a Swellow. And our last pack for today is, my phone can keep up, Burning Shadows, Sun and Moon. Code card for you guys. Put that over to the side. pack trick, 4 from the back, and let's do this. We got a Psychic Energy, Charmeleon, Whirlipede, Wobbuffet, Hoothoot, I don't know, yeah, Sandygast, Rhyhorn, Marill, Caterpie, another reverse rare Mudsdale, and a holo Rhyperior. So that is the Ho-Oh tin. I will do a little anyways, let's do a recap. So we got a holo Rhyperior, a reverse rare Mudsdale, a reverse rare Heliolisk, a Marowak break, and a Jolteon reverse rare. So I guess it's kind of a dud, but still got a break. But you're not guaranteed a break in every pack. So, anyways, thanks for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.